Hey guys, let's see how to reset a Wyze Cam Pan. That's the camera that does the movement, the pan movement, okay? And also there's the tilt movement here with the lens. So it's pretty simple to reset. You just need to come here and look for this setup button, click and hold, okay, until the camera reset. You see here that the camera is working because there's this blue LED right now. And after the reset, that's gonna change. Let me just press and hold here so you see how it works. There we go. And
Ready to connect.
you see now here the message, ready to connect. And here the LED is changing, it's flashing, okay? And the camera is ready to connect, and now you just need to use your app, your Wyze app, and start the process of setting up the camera again, okay? So super simple. That's the way you can reset a Wyze Cam Pan. So give your a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.
Ready.